Hey, just for your information, this video is only part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. And now let's get on with this one. Once you're inside the camera app, swipe right across the screen, then select Pro to enter Pro mode. First option on the right from the top is called exposure compensation. Should you have set everything else and still don't like what you're getting, this is a way to alter the image to your liking. Shutter speed has to be set to auto though for this option to be available. Currently it's grayed out, so let's change that. This is where it would be. Tapping it doesn't do anything. That's because shutter speed is set at a fixed value. Now it's set to auto, and there we go, exposure compensation is available. Let's say I want to place emphasis on the foreground statue. To do that, I will set it to -1. Now the statue looks perfectly exposed. Let's take a still. However, should I want to place emphasis on the background, I could also go the other direction to say a +0.5. Now the statue is overexposed, but the background is more emphasized. Again, let's take a still, and for reasons of comparison, let's take one without compensating the exposure. Let's compare. This is what the camera would do. Not particularly an emphasis on the background or the foreground, and the statue is slightly overexposed. This is an emphasis on the background at +0.5, with the statue now being overexposed, but the background being way more visible. And now this is what I would do. Place emphasis on the foreground statue, have it exposed correctly, and be okay with the fact that the background isn't as bright as it could be. And that's how easy it is to use exposure compensation. As always, start with the idea, know where you want to go, and then go by feel, go where your intuition takes you. And remember, shutter speed has to be set to auto for this option to be available. So that's it for this tutorial. Once again, this video is just part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So again, should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. If you liked this one, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.